Okay, Keith here. Let's continue consistency and practice again today. We're going to do E major today. We'll get through them all here day by day. So let's get our click going. There we go. And of course, the first one's going to be based off this caged chord, which is E major. Now, this first E major, you know, the bottom string's open, so a lot of guys will play that. But just to be consistent, we'll just start on the second degree of the scale here. So we want to go quarter notes, all down picks, right? And I like sliding back. All down picks. Let's do up picks. Whoops. Down a. You can hit the last E there if you want. Okay. Okay, let's go on up to the next one. We're going to do this E form. E major over this. So we're going to start with 3 here. Or the third of the chord, rather. Third of the scale. So all down. Picks. Get right on that B. And down up. So that's that one. All right, let's go on to the next one. This one. We're going to start on the 5th degree of the scale. All down picks. I like going back. Up picks. Now down up. Okay, so let's go on to the next one. We're going to start the one everybody knows, kind of, over this one. And I did it 8th notes first, so let's do quarter notes now. All down pick. And let's get that. That took care of that one. Now let's do this one. Up picks. And then finally down up. And there's all the approaches, or all the possibilities in the CAGED system anyway, for E. So again, on the first one, you can always hit the open string. It's kind of nice. Sometimes on some of these, it's nice to take it up, you know, to go, you know that what the note, one above and one below of it is also too. Okay, so tomorrow we'll go up E. We'll be doing another one, so go ahead and I guess we'll do A tomorrow, and we'll see you tomorrow. Keep practicing, little by little.